Today's lesson is setting up systems to find and share books. Readers, I have to tell you this. This morning, I overheard a snippet of a conversation between two third graders. They were sitting in their seats reading, and their conversation went a little like this. He's a real shrimp, like way shorter than all the other second graders. That was Josh. Like how short? That was Simon. 3 feet 8 inches. So he does silly things to make himself seem taller, like spike his hair. I was about to intervene to tell Josh and Simon that school was no place to make fun of other kids, especially younger ones, when I spotted a book in Josh's hands. Stink, the incredible shrinking kid. That conversation reminded me that enthusiastic readers talk about books and the people in them. Just like most of us talk about people in our own lives, it's as fun to talk about books as it is to read them. And as an added bonus, it's a great way to help each other find great books, which, like finding a comfortable spot to read and finding books you love and can read, is yet another way to set yourself up for a successful reading life. Today is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do an inquiry or an investigation. I was thinking that we could think about how to develop systems for finding good books right here. Let's work together to answer this question. What are some systems that can help the readers in this class find really great books? To answer this question, we'll each need to think about how we have found books we love in the past. And we'll also need to think a little creatively to figure out what kind of systems will work for us since we are remote learning. I'll start us off by sharing just one system that other classes have adopted. As you listen, think about whether this might work for you. In quite a few classrooms, the teacher and the kids work together to reorganize the classroom library so that the books are in categories or on shelves that echo the class's interests. So there might be a shelf labeled sports books and another shelf called friendship troubles. Often there are bins for series books too, so those are easy to find. Think about the books in your library at home. Would you be able to organize them? Let's start a list of systems for finding great books. I said categorize books into bins. Readers, I think we are going to need each other most for this activity. So I'm going to have you stop the video, and then I want you to go to Padlet and write down an idea of how you can find great books. Remember, you're trying to help other readers too. So give your ideas of what you have at home. And if you want to add a picture, you could add that too. I'm also going to open up commenting. So if you have a question about what somebody is doing, then you can ask them. All right, are you ready to try it? Off you go.